What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I want to talk about the flip phone versus the folding phone. Now, this could be any two phones from any OEMs. Just so happen for my video, I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and I have the Google Pixel Fold. Now, one of these is my favorite form factor, and I'll let you guys know which one that is at the end of the video. But they both are very premium devices, but just one form factor is my favorite. So let's go ahead and talk about the flip form factor first. Now, like I said, this could be any OEM. Just so happen I have this one. You know, when you're talking about the form factor, of course, you're going to have to throw in talking about some of the operating system as well. So as you guys see, Samsung did an excellent job with this. Build quality is excellent. They reduced the gap right there. Very premium feeling device, very unique, lightweight, very easy to carry. If you have your skinny jeans or your little clutch or whatever you have, it's going to be very easy to carry this, and lightweight. So build quality is great on this, and just good looking device as well. So with this device, you can use your front-facing cameras on here to take your best selfies. You're gonna have this 3.4-inch display that looks great on here. In comparison to the previous ones, this one is much more functional, and you can get a lot more stuff done with this size display right here. So you're gonna be able to see your notifications and respond to them. You're going to be able to see your emails and respond to those, text messages. You got things like calendar, weather, your social media. You're going to be able to watch like YouTube on here, Netflix. You also can play games on this as well. And you can make phone calls. So basically, you almost can just use this outer display without ever having to open it up, which is pretty unique. But when you do need to open it up, you're going to be opening it up to this 6.7-inch display here. Now the form factor is kind of narrow on this, but the display is very nice. It's beautiful. You got things like flex mode for watching your movies, taking your selfies, a lot of other things that flex mode can do. And then you get this very nice, very easy to hold form factor right here. Now, one thing about this, you don't ever have to close this up if you don't want to. You can walk around with this open in your pocket just like this, making it a normal candy bar style phone all the time. It's not going to close up very easy on you. So what are some of the cons with a flip phone like this? So one of the cons with this is the plastic filling inner display here. I've never removed the factory install screen protector on any flip or folding device that I've had. So I don't know what it feels like underneath that, but the one that they include is always a plastic filling. You're going to have the crease right here. It's going to always be that crease until they can, come up with a way to eliminate the crease. You're going to always feel it there. People saying you don't necessarily see it like that, but you feel it every now and then when you're using the device. This device is narrow, so the keyboard is going to be a little bit smaller. That's a little con for me. The device is slippery. If you don't have a case on it, it's going to be very slippery. The color that I got is a fingerprint magnet, so you have to be, mindful of that as well. And another con for me is every time I receive a phone call and I want to use the earpiece, I got to open it up. So that is a big con for me right there. Not unless when I have it closed up, I got some earbuds in or something like that, then I can take phone calls. But the biggest thing for me, if I got this phone in my pocket and I got other things, or if I'm walking around, my hands are full, then I got to flip it open and answer the phone. So that has become quite annoying to me over time. So that is biggest con for me right there, which I knew that buying the device that, there are some compromises that you have, but this is a very unique form factor, the flip phone. So let's go ahead and talk about the folding phone. So this is the Google Pixel Fold. You guys see, this is Google first attempt at this. I think they did a great job. There are some cons with this as well. When you have it in this state right here without it open up or unfolded, then you can do everything that you need to do. It's like a normal candy bar style phone. This device is a little bit shorter aspect ratio, but it's very easy to use one-handed. You're going to be able to take your selfies, stroll through your social media. Going to be able to do everything that you can do with a normal form factor. And like I said, with the Flip, you don't ever have to open this up. Now, I've read and heard people say 80%, 90% of the time they don't open their folding device up. And I'm like, to me, I bought it to use it unfolded. So the outer display and the build quality is excellent on this. And so when you get tired of doing that, then you're going to be able to open this up to a miniature tablet. Now you can also, just like with this device, use your main cameras for photos and videos. Then you can do the same thing with this device too. They have a feature in there where you can use your main cameras for doing things like that. But you also have a selfie camera here as well. So when you open this up, this is going to be good. This is 7.5-inch display. This is going to be good for your multitasking, using more than one app at a time. This is going to be good for reading your books. This is like a little tablet. This is going to be good for movies, Netflix, YouTube, and things like that. And they both have, very fast 120 hertz refresh rate on the inner displays here. You can multitask with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, but you're not going to have this real estate right here. So what are some of the cons with a folding phone? Again, the crease. You're going to have this crease right here until they get that, the technology down where we don't have to have a crease in there. This device is heavy. It's almost like carrying two devices at one time, especially when you put a case on this. You're going to definitely feel the weight. When I first started using it, it wasn't that, I didn't feel the weight so much, but day after day after day, especially me, I use a hinge protection case. So that seems to make it a little bit bulkier and heavier. Again, you got the plastic filling screen with that factory installed screen protector. So it's not going to feel like glass. And then some of the apps are not optimized. So those are some of the cons. Battery life has been good on both devices. So, that's the Flip versus the Fold for me. So the form factor that I like best out of these is going to have to be the folding device. It just works better for me. I get a whole lot more use out of this device. I can do just about anything I want to do with the inner display on here. Read my books, I edit videos. This could be my all-in-one device if I didn't have a laptop, if I didn't have a tablet. This device could do it all for me right here. Now, there are limitations on it. There are things that I don't like about it, but we're just talking about the form factor. This is it right here. It's very thin when you have it open. Very nice, just a premium feeling device. Whereas the Flip phone is nice. It's just not what I need every day. So I'm going to have to choose a folding phone over the Flip. Which one do you guys like? Which form factor? Or do you not like either one of these? Or you think it's not time for that yet? Anyway, this is my video. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.